Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PyramidAI token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 13th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the PyramidAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, name of the token is PyramidAI, and that is also the ticker symbol. This is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 10 million tokens. Now, according to their Etherscan, right now it says 7 holders. So this token is not even available on Uniswap yet. It's not available on any exchanges yet, but it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 13th at 9 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PyramidAI, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the PyramidAI platform provides a recommendation code system and a revenue distribution system. You can find their Telegram is at pyramid_AI, and they have 3,673 members. 1,096 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more about PyramidAI, talk to community members, see updates. You can also do the same on this Twitter that's right on the screen right here at PyramidAI token. Just joined in June 2023 on Twitter, 6,654 followers, 31 tweets, and they have a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter right there. PyramidAI.online. And and then one of their recent tweets here is the MEXC Global listing announcement you can find on their Twitter. And there is a Kickstarter event going on right now where you could vote with MX tokens to win airdrops. And there is a 50,000 USDT reward pool available on MEXC Global. So check out that Kickstarter event as well on MEXC. Now on their webpage too, when the token goes live, they do have a chart available. Their socials are on their webpage, and their PyramidAI dApp. So all those links are available on their webpage. And then there is a link to buy for when it does go live on other exchanges. Looks like that is, you may be able to stake from that button too as well eventually. It says stake on there. And so on the webpage you can find tokenomics, roadmap, all the information as well. So welcome to PyramidAI. They have a bot that you can click on. It says run the bot. It says where we blend blockchain technology with a revolutionary approach to empower our community. At PyramidAI, we believe in the power of decentralized networks to drive positive change and create opportunities for financial growth. Our platform offers 2 unique systems, the referral code system and a revenue distribution system. Let's delve into how each works and the benefits that they offer to our users. So PyramidAI aims to take networking to the next level with our advanced AI technology. Joining a networking pyramid is as simple as entering a unique code, but that's not all. If you meet the requirements, you can even create your own pyramid and become a leader in the network. Our networking AI doesn't stop there. It automatically distributes rewards to the participants based on their contributions, ensuring a fair and transparent system. But what truly sets us apart is our ability to enhance the network based on wealth of information gathered from the best networks ever created. By analyzing this data, our AI continuously improves the network, providing valuable insights and opportunities for growth. So they have the referral code system designed to reward users and community members for spreading the word about PyramidAI. When you connect your wallet to our decentralized application, you'll receive a unique referral link. Share this link with your network, whether it's on your followers on social media, friends, or family. Every time someone enters your referral link and purchases PyramidAI tokens, a 5% tax is applied to their transactions. From this tax, as the referral code owner, you receive 2.5%. This 2.5% is distributed among you and individuals you referred, depending on the position in the referral hierarchy. If you aspire to be the pyramid owner, you can create your own referral code by holding 1% or more of the PyramidAI token supply. This position allows you to maximize your earnings and influence within the PyramidAI ecosystem. So there is a revenue distribution system. In addition to our referral code system, we offer a revenue distribution system to further incentivize participation and loyalty within our community. By purchasing PyramidAI tokens and staking them, you secure a spot to receive ETH directly to your wallet. This revenue is generated from two sources. Firstly, 1.5% of every transaction tax contributes to the revenue pool. Secondly, revenue is generated from the team referral code, which typically comprises the largest pyramid within our ecosystem. Through the revenue distribution system, users can passively earn ETH while contributing to the growth and sustainability of PyramidAI. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the world of cryptocurrencies, our platform provides opportunities for everyone to thrive. At PyramidAI, we're not just building a crypto project, we're fostering a community-driven movement. Our innovative systems empower individuals to earn rewards while advocating for positive change. Join us in reshaping the future of finance and activism with PyramidAI. So their roadmap here starts with developing the protocol, audit, team building, pre-launch marketing, community building, launch of the full protocol, introduction of the token, forge partnerships, strategic marketing campaign, staking, revenue sharing protocol, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, community expansion, global marketing, strategic partnerships, integrations, DEX tools trending, their own marketplace, Etherscan update, heavy marketing push, 5,000 holders, AI profiles, integration, and guides. So basically how the tokens is split up here, 90% goes to liquidity, 3% marketing, 2% application development, 5% centralized exchanges like MEXC Global, where they are being listed tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.